Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So let me start today's video by pointing you to this particular graph. This is a very interesting chart. This shows the growth rate of different tech companies. I'm deliberately hiding the name of these tech companies. What I want you to do this is that please comment in the comment box which tech company is this. So there is this chart. It might look like the x-axis, but it is not. This depicts the growth rate of a tech company. The interesting part about this particular tech company is that this is the most sought after tech company right now in terms of investors getting on board. So everyone is going crazy in terms of making investment in this company. You would naturally ask that, hey, this is like close to 0% growth rate. So why are investors jumping on it? That is the precise conversation that I'm going to have it with you. Now take a look at this chart. This is the complete picture. It shows the growth rate of different companies like Twitter, Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and you will see that Twitter here is probably the worst placed company in terms of growth. And right now it is getting massive interest from investors like Elon Musk. Why is that the case? And please don't drop off because this is a US stock market investment video. You will understand a lot about social media if you continue to watch this video. So let us get the video started. And first and foremost, let us ascertain why there is so much interest in Twitter stock right now. So I can prove this through three specific graphics. This is from Elon Musk. He has recently made a bid that, hey, I'm going to buy Twitter for approximately $46 billion. And there is a back and forth that is going on between Elon Musk and Twitter's board. So Elon Musk really wants to buy Twitter, but Twitter's board does not want to sell Twitter. Now comes graphic number 2. Take a look at this. This is from a Middle East-based businessman. He's a billionaire and he holds significant stake in Twitter as well. And he's saying that, you know what, the bid that we have received from Elon Musk, it's very low. It does not indicate the true potential of Twitter. So naturally, more investment banks jump into the picture and they are jacking up the prices. They are saying that, you know what, Twitter must be like $60 per share. That is what we are going at. And the same investment bank put a $30 sell price on Twitter. So there is huge drama that is going on in terms of Twitter stock price as of now. Drama keeps on happening on Twitter all the time. There is nothing new, but drama is happening on Twitter stock price and its corporate governance. That is new to see. Now comes a second natural question that, okay, if this company, this tech company is not growing, you showed the chart earlier. If the company is not growing, then why is it that people are so crazy about holding Twitter? Elon wants to buy Twitter. Other people don't want to sell Twitter. People are discussing the prices. Why is this drama going on? What is the real inherent value of Twitter? So let us have a very quick analysis and discussion on that. So there are three specific value adds that I see, and I will analyze this section from Elon Musk's point of view. So first is that Twitter is a political tool. Can I prove it? Absolutely. So take a look at this particular graphic. So this is a very powerful statement from Brad Parscale and I will read it with you. So it says, Brad Parscale, Trump's digital media editor in 2016 put it, Facebook and Twitter were the reason we won this thing. Twitter for Mr. Trump and Facebook for fundraising. In a recent interview with CBS News 60 Minutes, Trump himself declared, I think I wouldn't have been here if I didn't have social media. So this is a big statement. Twitter is definitely one of the most politically intriguing tool. For example, you will frequently see top politicians, top bureaucrats, top corporate people who want to get into politics being super active on Twitter. So Twitter is a political platform, no doubt about that. Yes, people talk about a bunch of other different things, but the core goal of Twitter is to spark controversy. That is how the entire platform has been designed. That is the essence of the discussion. Now, why is someone like Elon Musk super interested in it? For this, you need to go back and try to study the history of Elon Musk, that the type of ideas that Elon Musk is trying to implement, those undergo a lot of regulatory changes. They are hogged by feds and other regulators, so to say. For example, if Elon Musk wants to send travelers to Mars, he has to seek a lot of regulation. He needs that regulatory support. That's part A. Part B is that when Trump won the election, de facto, he did not move away from his businesses. For example, Trump's son and daughters were looking after the Trump empire. When Trump was the president, he was looking and controlling the governance. So there was a good confluence for their business. So the way I see it is, by owning Twitter, someone like Musk can control a lot of political narrative in a country like the US, and he can even bid for elections. Do not be surprised about that. If he ends up fighting the election, the next time the opportunity presents itself. The second second reason why someone like Elon Musk wants to own Twitter is very simple, that it's a great marketing tool for his existing set of businesses. First and foremost, here you need to understand that Elon Musk is a very big influencer when it comes to Twitter. So he has a following of approximately 85 million people, huge. So here is the entire ranking list. So Elon Musk is ranked 8th, way below Justin Believer, right? So whatever Justin's name is, so him, right? So basically there are a lot of believers. He have pushed Justin Bieber to the top and Elon is ranked 8th, and that 8th rank is not bad at all. So Elon Musk has massive social media following, and this allows him to manipulate a set of different investments. Maybe the word manipulation is not the right usage here, but engage me with this thought and I will give clarity on my thought around Elon Musk's strategy overall. So let us understand this point about manipulation. So in the past, Elon Musk advertently or inadvertently, this is the word for today, difference between advertently and inadvertently. Let me know what does that mean. So advertently or inadvertently, Elon Musk moves different investment instruments. Let me give you some instances here. First, he was able to move Bitcoin by 20%. Then later on, he said that, you know what? Tesla is not going to accept Bitcoin. Then the Bitcoin prices came down. That is how he technically manipulated Bitcoin. Now, many of you would say that, Akshat, you know what? Cryptos, easy to manipulate. Everyone keeps on manipulating cryptos. It's a Voldemort instrument, this, that. Okay, so let me show you some stocks also that he was able to manipulate. So there was a stock called as GameStop and he tweeted Game Stonks. That's it. So that's what he said, Game Stonks, and the GameStop stock shot up. So that's again market manipulation from that perspective. Then within a few hours, he again manipulated a stock called as Etsy. Then that stock again shot up. Now very recently, he manipulated Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, etc. by posting photos of cute little dogs. The bottom line being that Elon Musk social media presence has become so powerful that he's able to sell Tesla through social media. He's able to manipulate the markets through social media. This includes both crypto market and stock market. In fact, the situation has become so problematic that the Securities and Exchange Commission, for example, in India, we have SEBI. In the US, we have SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. It has come out and it has slapped the wrist of Elon Musk saying that, you know what, you guys need to pay a fine. So this is the entire snippet about it. And going forward, Elon Musk needs to take permission from SEC to make certain kind of Twitter post. So which is irking Elon Musk to a certain degree, but that is what the situation is, that over time, Elon Musk has become such a powerful personal brand that he's able to move stock market, crypto market, even the EV market through his own tweets. So therefore, Securities and Exchange Commission would have put some full-time hire on monitoring Elon's Twitter account, which must be a fun job. Now, the facts that I shared with you, this might irk you a little bit that, you know what, Elon Musk is a capitalist. He's able to manipulate the market. He's not doing good for Twitter. He's working in his own self-interest. Maybe, maybe not. I will give you my final verdict on this subsequently on the video. But you also need to understand the third reason as to why Elon Musk or people like Elon Musk are trying to gain control over Twitter. These are genuine reasons according to them. So I'm presenting their side of the story too. So what they are saying is that, hey, Twitter has a lot of unlocked potential. It's a public company right now. There are a lot of regulators sitting on Twitter's head also. There is no growth that is happening in Twitter. So if Elon Musk gets to buy it, he will take it private from listed company to an unlisted company and unlock potential of that company and add value. So that is one of the prime reasons why Elon Musk is interested in acquiring Twitter. The second key reason why Elon Musk is so interested in acquiring Twitter for genuine reasons is that he wants to protect free speech. In the past, Twitter has kicked out people from its platform. Elon Musk wants to get control over Twitter and make the platform more democratic. That's just one part of the equation. For several years, people want an edit button on Twitter. In fact, shareholders themselves want edit button on Twitter, but Twitter is not allowing that. That's again centralization of all the power. So Elon Musk wants to fight these type of battles too. Now comes third and final reason, which is resonated by even Jack Dorsey, that Twitter's board is highly incompetent. That's plain and simple. So this is the viewpoint that has been resonated by Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk both. According to them, the Twitter board does not own a lot of Twitter to begin with. Jack Dorsey was there, but he has resigned from the board. So the total shareholding of Twitter by the board itself, which is the most prominent apex body of Twitter, that has come down. Now, since the board members themselves do not have any skin in the game, why are they advising on how Twitter should be run? That is the simple viewpoint that has been brought forth by Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk. So the battle is raging between different parties. On one hand, we have Elon Musk, who is trying to acquire Twitter for a different set of reasons, as I explained. On the other side, we have Twitter board and Parag Agrawal, who is the CEO of Twitter. They are trying to take control or retain control of Twitter. What is going to happen next? No one can say for sure, but it looks very likely now that Elon Musk will be able to gain control over Twitter because he has already built a syndicate. There is a short video that I had done on that same topic where I explained that how Elon Musk will be building a syndicate to acquire Twitter, and that is precisely what has happened. So going forward, my viewpoint is that it is very likely that Elon Musk is going to get control over Twitter. Is that good news? Is that bad news? Should you become a holder in Twitter or not? Is that a great swing trading opportunity? My bet would be a yes. Is this an advice for you to buy? No. Please listen and please watch the subsequent sections of this video. Is that an investment advice? The answer is absolutely not. Please act as per your understanding. But for me, it will be a slightly swing trading opportunity, and I will explain you why also. For this, you need to understand what Elon Musk is like as a person. If you study his interviews, if you read his book, if you read his biography, there is a set of understanding that you will get on the type of ideas that he executes. So let me explain this viewpoint in simple points. Point number one, Elon Musk is one of the richest and one of the smartest people on earth. All of us would agree to that. This is a plain fact. The related point here is that many people call him that he's like probably manipulating Bitcoin so that he can sell it off tomorrow and spend time in Bahamas. No. He is not manipulating Bitcoin because of that. He's not manipulating stocks because of that. There is very little money to be made by engaging in such practices, which can potentially be considered as criminal activities and can land him behind bars. He is not doing it on purpose. The risk-reward equation for him does not make any sense. This is point one. Elon Musk is a big ideas guy and his actions tell us the same. So I will put some snippets from his resume, which I found online, which was very funny. So I'll put some snippets here, but look at the type of companies that he has started. So he started PayPal and he sold PayPal to start Tesla and SpaceX then, which are ambitious, bold ideas. No one was experimenting in the EV space. He came in, built Tesla and scaled it up to make it one of the top companies in the US right now. SpaceX has become one of the most innovative companies on earth when it comes to space travel and creating spacecrafts. In fact, they are working in conjunction with NASA. That's how good SpaceX has become over time. If you look at his another company called as the Boring Company. So what it does is that it improves mobility by building tunnels and building like hyperloop networks. So what they are simply doing is that they are improving the speed at which people can move from point A to point B. Then comes the final company, which is called as Neuralinks. What it does is that it uses artificial intelligence, machine learning to synchronize human elements. So what I'm thinking in my brain vis-a-vis what machines are thinking. And he's trying to bridge that gap. Now, this has a lot of application, especially in the field of healthcare, where robotics or humanoids can treat patients. These are powerful, humanity-changing ideas, and these are super bold things that no one else for a very long time have dared to do, which Elon Musk is successfully executing to a very large extent. He's not a market manipulator as per my understanding. I can be wrong, no doubt about that. The way I see the Twitter story playing out is that Elon Musk is probably doing it to build his political clout so that he can use that political platform to accentuate the existing ideas that he is already working and will be able to achieve those goals in a much accelerated time frame if he also has a little bit more political control over the narrative. Is that good? Is that bad? Let me know in the comment box. What should you be doing as an investor? If you want to swing it, there is a very good chance that this stock might actually make money, because if Elon Musk gets hold of Twitter and takes the company private, there is a lot of value that will be unlocked. How precisely? Because running a public company, any publicly listed company, it's a lot of expenses. So those expenses will go away to a very large extent. Elon Musk is very efficient, no doubt about that. So he will have control, some vision. There is a lot of synergy that he can explore between Twitter and other set of businesses. So the opportunities become endless in terms of unlocking true potential of Twitter. Let me know how did you find the video and what are your thought process regarding the same. Thank you so much, and I will see you the next time.